You're done? Okay, let's bring it inside. You have to put it up. Okay, good job. Nice. Okay, I'll open the door, okay? Oh, wow. Where are you going? Oh. No, no, no. Come on. Good practice. It's okay. Good job. Nice. It's okay. When we have your black top, you're not going to fall now. Okay, you wanna bring it inside? Park it inside? It's okay. You wanna park it inside now?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
I can do it though. Gravel pa kasi. Okay, you can do it now. Okay. Thank you. Oo nga, Shelane. Mahulog, sinabi mo. Si Gilana, everybody falls. You have to get up all the time, right? Ladies first. And ladies, oh, I forgot turn off the light, anak. Remember? Wait, I need to turn off the light. Ladies first. Oh, come on, compare. Diyos mio, Marimar. Alas 8 na. Hi. Whoa. What? Who? No, it's not. It's not wet. No. Okay, hold it.
You pee your pants?
Galing mag-English ah. Did you pee your pants?
You pee your pants?
Where's the wet?
I pee wet.
Where?
Okay.
Ang kulit.
Right here, touch here. Right here.
Where?
There.
Oh.
Hey, right here.
No, it's not. It's not. Oh! Isa. Kulit na. You wanna go inside now? Naka 20,000 na tayo, guys. Okay na tayo sa 20,000 ngayon. So, 20,000 na. Okay, Gilana, let's go inside. Wow. Oo, naka 20,000 na tayo ngayon. Kahapon 50. So ngayon relax tayo ngayon. Come on, let's go. Eh, pala siya. Okay. Ayan siya naglalaro. Ayan. Oo, kahapon naka 55 tayo ngayon, 20,000 na. Ayan siya. Okay, let's go inside. Ayan. Pagoda ngayon, Miyerkules. Third day ng pasok. Kaya kapagod. Work. Hirap kumita ng pera, guys. Hirap kumita ng pera. Trabaho pa more.